So, yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Harish. This is the part two of our video series of the scale mesh application, a versatile alternative built in Golang. So today we are going to deploy it on Kubernetes cluster and try to test it on production servers. So yeah, let's start with the first. So today's agenda is let me show you. We are going to create a CAD cluster using not Terraform. We are going to use a tool called EKSCTL. So this is a command line utility which is used to create a Kubernetes cluster, and then we are going to deploy our application. So a brief intro about our application. This is a application called Scale Mesh, which is like versatile. A user can deploy their web application on cloud with just a click. And the internal architecture, in this architecture we are using the Kubernetes jobs to build and build artifacts of users web application and deploy to the S3 bucket, and so the website users website from there. So yeah, first start with the creating cluster. So I think let's open our code. So here is our YAML file. Yeah. Let's start deploying it. So I already wrote a blog if you want to follow step by step. This is blog on my personal website. So let's start creating the wait. So this will create an what the heck, fail to create canvas board already exist. Okay, I think I have to have a duplicate cluster. No, I think I do not have that. Wait. No, I do not have. Okay, let's try changing the name of the cluster. Option must create. Option must also appreciate it. Subnet below. Okay, we have to provide the VPC ID. And the CIDR range. Okay, this is correct. And all the subnets are correct. Let's try it again. Okay, it is creating the EKS cluster on AWS. So it will take some time. Create a subnet of your PC, tag the public subnet and the private subnet. I think I already have. These are the tags which are required for the AWS load balancer to work. So I think we do have those uh, entries. Yeah, I think yeah we do have those tags. Kubernetes ELV and For now, we do not have any private subnet, so I'm using public subnet to deploy it. So yeah. So first we do not need to export these two variables. So I already have written some I wrote some uh, commands to for creating more services like after so first we need to create the namespace. So namespace is used to categorize or categorize the Kubernetes workload resources, so we can easily remember what kind of resources, what kind of namespaces are there. So still waiting for the, so it is going to take some time. So till then we can see some, yeah, these files, ekctl config files. It is taking some time. Still then I let me see how the broadcast is going. I hope my audio is clear and screen is clear also. Audio is clear and screen is clear also. I think yeah, we do have those tags. Okay, what we can do? Okay, till then we can read our blog. So for database, we are using the stateful set. Stateful set are for the persistent database volumes, and then we need persistent volume claims. And it is like a request for the actuals. It is kind of like it is like a bridge. So it goes like a request and then form a bridge between the actual storage and the other resources. Bind once a PVC is bound to PV, it remains bound, and the persistent volume is the actual storage. Why don't we need CSI driver? It is an interface from which Kubernetes can access the access the storage. So I think deploying the Postgres. Okay, I need to merge this into the config file. So let's search add-ons. Cluster name and blah blah. AWS EBS PC CNI. name. First we need name. So name is AWS EBS driver. Then we need version, of course, tags. So below properties are optional. Okay. So obviously we don't need tags. That is fine. And what other cluster regions are now? Okay, this is fine. And deploy the Postgres, create the IAM policies, and that is also associate utils, associate IAM or utils. Okay, need to search about utils. So I'm trying to move all the commands into a config file. OIDC. Wait. IAM service account. So I think I can create the service account. Okay, we will look later about it. Next I need to, okay, our cluster control plane is set up already, and it is creating the node worker node. So we are using the EC2 instances. I think only one. I don't know how much time it is going to take. Checking in for another. Okay, it is taking some quite a bit of time. So we are not enabling. So here you can, good thing about OKCTL, you can watch every log, what it is creating and how it is doing. So CloudWatch logging is not enabled, and here we can see the command how to enable it. Default add-ons will be installed, were not specified, we'll install them as EKS add-ons. This is nice. And unmanaged nodes. So we are creating manual managed nodes using existing VPC. This is good. So it is add-ons are installing one by one. Can we pop it out? Yeah. Okay, the thing about this is it is going to take time. So we have to wait a lot. Not in this when we are installing the Postgres database through Helm charts and all that stuff is going to take time. And the good thing is I already created a detailed blog, so most of the issues will be solved easily. I hope we don't get another uh, more issues. Deploying stack, waiting for confirmation stack. So I will be using kubectl to interact with our EKS cluster. So I have an alias to this that command by the name of KC kubectl. Waiting for the cloud formation stack. This is the thing about, man, it is going to take time. Okay, so you can see that OIDC is not configured. What is OIDC? So OIDC is a bridge between EKS. So OIDC is the bridge between Kubernetes resources and AWS services. So to authenticate it securely, AI and OIDC provide that bridge. So our Kubernetes services can talk to the AWS services with proper security. So yeah, add-ons are created. So I think EC2 instances are uh, being created also. So we can see here. Yeah. Okay, our EC2, these are the two EC2 instances which are being created by the EKS cluster. So one is the node group, sorry, one is the worker node and one is the primary, what's it's called? There is the name. One is the worker node and one is the primary. I know, I forgot the name of. Let's Kubernetes architecture. Yeah, no, yeah, I know it. Master node. Yeah, we can say that. Okay, so our EKCTL cluster is ready. We can check by KC get nodes. There are our two nodes. Okay, so start with creating namespaces. Let me show you some code. So this code is on GitLab. You can go to my profile and check the GitLab link. So yeah, we went into the namespace.yaml. So I'm creating a namespace to have my all Kubernetes workloads resources for this application under this namespace. So first we are going to first we are going to create the namespace. Okay, we need to go to another directory. So it is going to create a namespace. I have another application also. A namespace is created, so we can check get ns. There is our namespace. Which is creating 7 seconds ago. After this, we are going to create the stateful set for our Postgres database. So yeah, we need to first install. Why are we installing the CSI driver? So CSI driver will provide the interface through which we can our Kubernetes workload can to the storage stuff. Storage like Amazon EBS or persistent disks, name it, and the Google persistent disk in the GCP. So first we are going to install this or a EBS CSI driver. So let's go to the cluster first. What the heck? Unable to describe control plane cluster name. Okay, I think we exported wrong cluster name. This is not the cluster name. Cluster name is scale mass prod cluster. My bad. Prod cluster. So here is our the cluster, and we can see under the add-ons. No, we have to go to the I think resource storage CSI driver. CSI driver. So we do have an EFS. So which one we are installing? EBS. So because for EC2 instance we are using the EBS volumes. So that's why we need EBS CSI driver. And driver is installed. Now what we are going to do is add the Helm repo. Okay, repo already exists. Do we have the values.yaml in here? I don't think so. It is not going to work. It, so if we look into under values, so this is a by default values.yaml file from the Bitnami that Bitnami provides. So I installed, I think I installed it on my local, and now we are going to deploy the Postgres uh, database as a Helm chart. Obviously, it is going to be deployed as a pod. So here we have the read and write. So create and attach IAM policy so that our worker node access to okay. So we need create and attach an IAM policy to EKS node ECS volume permission to create and delete volumes and describe text. So why do we need that? So that our worker node have permission to access volumes and create some text. Why do we need to have permission to volumes? So that we can access our database. So it can connect to the persistent volume that EBS is. Okay. I think I already created those IAM files. So I'm stand for I think identity access management. So policy is like the permissions. So I think I do have the policies created already. Scale mass, ECS task for EKS. No, this is not ECS task. I am secret managers. No, 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 no. It's not the. I need EC2 volumes permission. So it and EC2 tags. I think I created it. Scale mass. Yeah, EC2, EKS, EC2 volume permissions. Now we have by the name of. So I think naming conventions are very necessary in the production also. Tagging limit, all right, okay, now we have the permissions. Check the permissions. And we want to attach to the node role policy to EKS node role. I don't know why my internet is very slow. Come on, man. Attach volume, okay, yeah, we do have. So attach it to the role. Which role? Node role. EKS node service role for Amazon node group 88 days ago. No, 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 this is not production node instance role. This is the one. And permissions, attach policies, and what is the name of EKS? Add the permissions. Okay. Check the Postgres database DB status. Okay. KC get ports. No, 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 no. Okay, the status is running, but why? Okay. PVC bound, it is running very good. PV, the claim is ready, and the oh yeah, volume is also ready. I think it is now. Wait. AC get NS. Now we do need to, create the secrets, API server secrets. API server secrets. One is the mainly this is the database URL and the session key. So we need to server secret. Secrets.yaml. Why we do not have? Okay. So it is going to create the secrets. So main DB, so this is not showing our secret. So our in the namespace API NS. Yeah. So here we have the API and and now finally what we are going to do is deploy our API server.yaml. This one is our API server. So what we are going today, first we are creating a deployment. Why deployment? Why not directly code? So deployment, create a replica, set a controller. In case our API server, in case our application goes down, it will create the desired replica here automatically. So it is an auto healing feature for. And now then we are going to service account in front of our deployments, and these are the our secrets that we are using from our secrets, and then the service that we are exposing our application to the outer world. Okay, let's, I think, wait, let's check our ports. So this is a tool by the name of K9s to manage your resources and see or monitor your resources nicely. Wait, why it is not showing any response when I think we shouldn't be able to see the what is going on. I think my internet is not working good. What happened? Okay, it is working. No resources found in API namespace. Okay, let's check in the scale mass. Resources, workload, ports. What about deployment? API deployment. It is created, zero failed. And what about service? Let's check the logs one by one. Okay, there are no logs. Let's go to the deployment. So status is to desired but not created already. Forbidden error looking up to service API service account not found. Okay, there is an service account. Why do we need service account? Service account. Where is the damn service account? Check the Postgres IDC provider. So service account is like the IAM role which provide us the permissions to interact with the different Kubernetes resources securely access. Where is the IAM policy? Ingress. This is the ingress. Where is the service account? Yeah, don't. What is that? Solution. First, I think we should delete, create the service account, attach the IAM policy while this policy for run task. Yeah, okay, this is for ECS task. We don't need that for now. API service account. Wait. API service account. Okay, container is creating. Okay, now come on. Where are our API namespace? Logs failed. Okay, see, okay, get logs and API NS API. I think it should show how the logs, what is wrong, waiting to start. Progressing, okay, this is normal, but what is the issue? Codes, what has been failing, man? Secret volume CSI client not found in the list of secret store. Secret volume field for secret volume. What the heck I am using, man? Session key, service account, and what is this? Secret volume, registered CSI drivers to get a CSI client. So I think I try to set up the this secret store. Wait, I should have wrote the documentation, which I didn't. I don't know why. API port. So I think this is not successful because I tried to run the secrets, but secrets from the secrets manager, but it is not yet successfully set up. I will do that and I will set it up. So ports are active and healthy. What about the deployments? Deployment will be healthy, man. And now what? So now we don't need to create IDC provider. Role binding, okay. So it is creating the IDC. Wait, we have to go to the authentication. I think we do also have the service accounts authorizations. Now we do need to create this one. Install the Amazon load balancer so that we can access our application publicly. Link policy is already created. I told you because it is already created because I deployed it. No such file in AWS account ID. Okay, I don't need account ID. Okay. Where is the okay? Sorry. Now time to install the AWS load balancer. Wait for the installation of the controller. What the heck? VPC ID. Okay, we don't need VPC ID. Now it is creating what AWS, installing the AWS controller. Now it is going to create the ingress. Now then we are going to create the ingress service. So it is installed. Wait, first wait. Yeah, okay. Okay, the finally we do have the that it is created. It is controller is ready, and we do have the DNS. Let's check it out. What was the port again? Open the postman. Now we are going to check that it is deployed or not. Mission is requesting. Okay, no. Scale mask as local. Wait, what is the port by default? 9000 and health. No, I do not have to give the 9000. Wait, let's go to the cluster. They are not, this is not, should not be HTTP, man. Yeah, the request could not be found. Health. Wait. Here is our load balancer. Come on, load man. Provisioning. Okay, it is provisioning. It is going to take some time. Yeah. So the deployment was almost ready. It is going to take some time, man. Okay, the status is active now. We should try it. Where is the load balancer? What is the DNS name? So I think by default port is 9000. Why it is not accessing, man? Wait, create service account. Something went wrong, I think. Ports, and this is the pod. Pod is started successfully. So this is the pod which is running. Now we are going to check the logs. The request resource could not be found. Error.go. Running on the port. Okay, that is nice. Resource could not be found. 16th. 16th. Message. What is the message? The resource could not be found. Health handlers. I have to check the handlers. Where is this man? Where is this? So could not be resource. The request resource could not be found. That is the issue. It is, wait. Resource map. Okay, health check is failing. Target group is that. Why it is unhealthy? Why it is unhealthy? Is there any .env file? No, I don't think so. There are two secrets which I provide also. Server secret, one is the data, yeah, session key, and one is that. Unhealthy. What is unhealthy, man? API service. Wait. Think something is wrong with the service. Ingress service. Ingress.yml secrets. Ingress. API service, it should direct to the port 18, direct to the. I don't know what's wrong, man. Internet facing, that is right. Unhealthy chat. This is the wait. Case imply. That. So I don't know what is wrong with this. Let's try to figure it out. So error.go 16th message. Find all occurrences. The request resource could not be found. Not found response. Where am I using this? Main router handler. Not found handler. In the routes.go. For not found handlers. Wait. What is the ingress? Where is the ingress file? So what am I doing is path is slash and API service. So where is the API service? Server test. Server API service TCP API. It is redirecting to the port 9000. Okay. Paths that we I don't. This path is directing to the API service which is on port 9000. That is good. But what's the issue then? Wait. Let's say if I start a local service and run the container. No such file or directory. And what is the path that load balancer is hitting? Two rules. What are the rules? Auth slash. Okay, the same issue is there. That the resource is not found. What if I remove this main.go, sorry, routes? But if I do this? No such file or directory. Yeah, I know. What's the issue, man? Wait. CMD web. CMD API, sorry. What? Why it is taking so much time in the CMD API? Build bin and the bin. Okay, it is running on the port 9000. Now what's the issue, man? Main router not found, handler method not allowed. App router v1. It's v1 slash health slash v1 slash health. Now it is showing me. Okay, what we can do is remove this and make this handler path. Now what we can do is now push the code. So there has been an issue in the routes. So I fixed that. Now it should be fine. So wait a minute. And then back. For the delay. So we have to push it via the code, sorry, VS code, because I logged in to the my GitLab instance from there. Okay, CD. Okay, 1 minute ago, it should start the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, it already did. So it is going to build the Docker image and push it to the repo. It is going to take some time. Till then, we can check if there is any comment. No comment yet. Okay. Yeah, it is taking some time. And it is going to push this image on Docker Hub from which our EKS cluster will pull the image. Why it is taking so much time, man? Okay, that is a much average time. So it is going to take some time. Come on, man. So I think image is already built. Now it is pushing to the Docker Hub. And now it is pushing to the Docker Hub. So the image is already built. Okay, now we are going to deploy it. I hope it will fetch the latest image. Otherwise, it will be mess. Okay, now it restarted the previous image. So I think we have to SSH into the EC2 instance and delete that. I don't know which one is one. NG node 1, node group 1, node group 2. Okay, we are going to check waiting, which is the worker node. Can we scale mass pod cluster resources? Jobs. Right. We are going to SSH into this instance and remove the previous existing Docker file. I know there is a I think better way, but I for this time we are going to try this only. Explicitly removing the previous Docker file. Let's check how to remove the old container image in Kubernetes cluster. And image. I think there should be must a solution. There must be a solution, man. Cat API server. Main image. Okay. Let's ask ChatGPT that I am deploying a container on AWS cluster. It is still using the old image even if I have a new push to the image. So ensure the image pull policy to true. Okay, we have to do that. Let's go to the page test containers in the containers. Okay, what are the solution that we have? Okay, now it is creating, it is pulling on the new image. Yes. Now it is running. Let's check the logs. Okay, hit v1 health. Now we have fixed the issue. So let's check the not instance summary target. Let's check the load balancer and it is active and resource mapping. Now it is fucking healthy, man. Okay, now let's. So finally, we have deployed our cluster on the Kubernetes. Our scale mesh application on the cluster. So now we are going to uh, deploy. No, sorry, test it on. Okay, we do not want that. We do not want that. Okay, remove some reverse. Let's send some HTTP request to the server and check if it is working or not. Okay, the version is fine. Now what we need to first, I need to create an account. So I'm going to send a post request. So wait a minute. What it is that go to the collection and user sign up. So this is the path v1 and this is the payload. So we are going to first create account. Wait. We do not do that. We need to do that stuff, all that stuff. Let's go to the sign up and just remove this one. Okay, and just send it. What the heck? Page not found. Okay, sorry, my mistake. We extend, yeah. User is signed up successfully. Now let's create the login. Insert the Kubernetes cluster DNS. Wait. What are we doing, man? User is logged in successfully. Now let's create a what? What are we saying that? Let's create a project. So first we are going to create a project and then we are going to deploy it. So project it created successfully. Now what we are going to do is we are going to deploy it. So here we are going to use not the deploy ECS one. Let's check the route. What is the route? Not the deploy ECS. We are going to use deploy K8s. Deploy K8s. Server encountered an error. Holy hell. Forbidden, cannot create resources. Okay, why it cannot? Unable to run the task. So I think it needs some permissions. Cannot create jobs in the API. Jobs batch is forbidden. So I think I didn't created the let's let's ask ChatGPT to create how to create the service. What permissions do we need as a service? I think API service account. I think I do have an account, but create a role for cluster. Wait. That is for the ECS task, not for the role reference. Bind the role to the service account. Okay. Oh, wait. We do have service account role binding, man. API service account, job role, RBAC authorization. That is role binding. Role binding, yeah. I do have the role binding, but I do not have the role yet. Job creator role. Rules. First, we need to apply the SVC account. What's the issue? Invalid is missing. Pardon. kubectl creates this missing annotation will be passed automatically invalid. Why it is invalid? Unknown field metadata rules. Okay, rules. Okay, yeah. Sorry for that. So what we are doing is creating the rules warning request is invalid. Unknown field rules. KC delete F API service account cannot be held as this. What the unknown field rules? So why it is saying the unknown field rules? Okay, it is not a job creator role. Job role I have to create another which will provide the permission to run the jobs, create guidance list and all the watch. So first I need to create that. KC apply job role. So first we are going to name squad role and bind the role to the service account. KC apply wait KC job role. What is the job role? So we have to bind that. Wait. So after binding, we have to apply the role. Let's try one more time. Wait, why? Not found. Build job are back. Build job are back. Wait, I think our service binding job creator all name is changed. So our binding was wrong. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Now let's try one more time. Server encountered an fucking error, man. Middleware hit. Unable to run the task. Unauthorized. Unauthorized. Why the heck am I am unauthorized, man. Project. I did log in. I logged in successfully. And when I go to the, this is not the deploy KTS. We want deploy case encountered an error. Unable to handler go 201. Okay, let's check this that issue. 201. Unable to run. Project ID. Okay. Why we are not getting the project ID from here? Two zero one. Error go done. Error go 10. Unauthorized. Run KTS build service. So API KTS. Why it is throwing error, man? Before you are why it is throwing such error namespace API NS job build job container image that is good. Okay, build job pod. Wait. I know what's wrong. Build job pod. Build job are back. The main issue can be metadata is build job pod template spec. Name is build job. Why it is throwing the unauthorized error? Job unauthorized. Okay. Wait. I think create run. Now let's check what is the error. I don't know what the error man. API service account, role or back, build job, build job. Okay, this is the build job.yaml. Okay, I think I used it for the test build job container. Job role. Okay, I don't know what's the error when AC apply. Now I'm create the binding. Now check again. I can create job. Now AC delete API ENS API service API convert HTML. Let's create again. Okay, deployment is finally started. Okay, let's check. So AC get jobs and API ENS. Sorry, wait a minute. So it is running. So let's check the logs. AC get logs and API ENS build job Okay, so it is what we can see is it is building the application. In we can check here also. So it created the file and one complete. It also failed also because no identity policy allows the S3 put object. Okay, what we need to do is okay, we need permissions for what? Labels, ports. Can we see the logs here? No, I don't think so. Build job container terminated. Why it is being terminated? Error uploading the file to S3 operation. Put objects. Blah blah blah. Access denied. Because no identity based policy allow S3 put object actions. So to whom we are going to assign this role? To the node or to the node instance role. Okay. So node instance role, we have to allow this to the node instance role. So what's the issue that we are unable to upload our S3 artifacts to the sorry we are not able to upload the build artifacts to the S3 bucket. So we go to the role and go to this particular role ekctl node instance ekctl node instance 5lm, this one, and we have to give it a permission attach policy of s3 put. We have a scale mass s3, this one, we need this one, this permission. So we successfully added the permissions. Now check that we have any jobs failed. Okay, now let's try one more time. Start the deployment. Okay, what the heck is that error? Already exist jobs batch, already exist. Unable to build job already exist. Yeah, AC delete of an API ls. Okay, that is deleted. Now what we are going? Okay, let's try once again. So I have to handle it in code, but for now, okay, it successfully deployment is started. Let's check the logs. KCT get glob APNS KC logs. Okay, it is start building the logs and it successfully uploaded to the our Kubernetes S3 bucket. So here you can check the in the resources, in the jobs, we have one failed, one completion. Why it is failed? Okay, I think it is being previous, it is previous. Okay, oh yeah, we have one completed successfully. Why the UI is so. Okay, it is succeeded, and here we can see that our artifacts are being uploaded to the S3 bucket. Let's check on the S3 bucket. Come on, man. So here are our assets, three assets. In assets we have three files, and two are index.html and white.js. So our Kubernetes job batch is finally working. So that's it for today. Okay, see you next time. How can I end it? The stream, man. Wait.